Boosting our energy sector, oil production set to rise. Minister Dr. Rudal Moonilal has announced a promising turnaround for our oil sector, with production projected to climb to 74,600 barrels per day by 2029. After years of decline, this forecast shows a meaningful recovery starting in 2027. Production is expected to rise from 57,300 barrels per day in 2026 to 62,100 barrels per day in 2027. This growth signals a stronger, more sustainable future for Trinidad and Tobago. Protecting our nation's children. $36 million debt cleared. In a major step toward accountability and improved service delivery, the Ministry of the People, Social Development and Family Services has successfully settled over $36 million in audited outstanding debts for the Children's Authority of Trinidad and Tobago. These funds, presented by Minister Vandana Mohit, cover essential operational and contractual obligations dating back to 2019, including security services, over $31.2 million for various security providers, facility works, approximately $2.9 million for the National Care and Empowerment Center, janitorial services, nearly $1.9 million for cleaning services. By settling these inherited debts, the ministry is ensuring that the Children's Authority can continue its vital work of safeguarding the welfare of our most vulnerable citizens without disruption. This move also helps the authority avoid potential litigation, reinforcing the government's commitment to transparency, accountability, and the protection of our children. Expanding care across the Caribbean, TNT offers regional medical support. Prime Minister Kamla Persad is leading efforts to reduce the cost of medical care for our Caribbean neighbors. Key initiatives include affordable prosthetics. The Trinidad and Tobago National Prosthetic Center will now provide prosthetic limbs to CARICOM nationals, offering a significantly more affordable alternative to international options that can range from $3,000 to $120,000. Medical expertise. Trinidad and Tobago has expressed its willingness to provide fully trained doctors to support the region's healthcare systems. Specialized care. The Couva Children's Hospital is now available to provide specialized care to citizens across the region. We are working together to address regional challenges while strengthening our ties. Additionally, regional leaders are reviewing the Common External Tariff, CET, on basic food items to help further reduce the cost of goods for citizens. Strengthening bonds. U.S.-TNT partnership delivers healthcare benefits. Prime Minister Kamla Persad recently praised the enduring partnership between Trinidad and Tobago and the United States, highlighting its positive impact on our healthcare system. The successful United States dental readiness training exercise at the Eric Williams Medical Sciences Complex provided essential services, including cleanings, fillings, and extractions, to citizens across the country. This collaboration continues to evolve, delivering tangible improvements in public health and institutional capacity. $800 million sovereign bonds secured. Trinidad and Tobago has successfully closed $800 million sovereign bond in the U.S. market, achieving a remarkable 400% oversubscription. This represents the strongest investor reception for a bond issue since 2013. Key highlights of this milestone include strong investor confidence. The offering drew massive interest, reflecting deep appetite and confidence in the country's credit standing. Strategic maturity. The bond features a 12-year tenor, a deliberate move to better align with the nation's long-term financing strategy. Fiscal management. Proceeds are earmarked to repay existing notes due in August 2026, with the remainder supporting general budgetary purposes. This successful transaction effectively reprices our yield curve and underscores the international community's trust in our economic trajectory. When UNC wins, everyone wins.